How to change Hoyoverse username. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Hoyoverse username. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up any browser. Then you have to search for account.hoyoverse.com. You have to search for this exact website. Then after searching, here you have to enter your username or email and password and tap on login. Then after you log in, you have to tap on these three lines in the top left corner here and then tap on account security settings, and then here you have to tap on link besides your username. And then here it says you can verify your account via the following methods. Email verification, so you have to select email verification and then tap on send. And now a code will be sent to your email, so open up your email and you will receive a code in your email. So copy this code and go back to the Hoyoverse account and paste that code here and tap on next. Now here you can select your username, so enter here your username and enter it here again to confirm, and then tap on link and your username will be changed. And so this is how you can change your Hoyoverse username. Thanks for watching.